Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on the Shipt app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and order groceries, but you move locations and you're using Shipt. How do you actually go ahead and change your address? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Shipt app. Then in the top left-hand corner, click on your current address. Next, search for a different delivery address. So for here, we're going to go ahead and type in a different address and then click on it. Then afterwards, click on save. There you have it. You've now gone ahead and changed your address. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your address on the Shipt app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.